Welcome to the DoubleACS Daily News. The shutdown due to the coronavirus has impacted businesses and government services. The RMV is one of those services. We spoke with Representative Jay DeLisio to learn more.
My name is Jay DeLisio. I'm the Assistant Registrar for the Service Center Operations with the Registry of Motor Vehicles. And the way the registry is handling and implementing safety measures for employees and customers during the pandemic is we've been following pretty strictly the guidance from DPH in terms of public health guidelines for cleaning, disinfecting, social and personal distancing. We've been encouraging from the beginning our employees to wear face coverings, and then we've been following along with Governor Baker's face covering order as well. We've really gone above and beyond in my estimation as it relates to the personal protective equipment such as gloves, the face coverings as we mentioned, disinfecting wipes, hand sanitizers. We installed plexiglass Lexan screens in front of every single terminal and workstation in the registry. We've implemented temperature screenings for our employees every morning. In some of the social distancing protocols that we have in place, we've had doctors who are some of our patients come in and say, wow, what you guys are doing here is really top notch. So when you step up to the counter, even though we have the Lexan glass in front of you, we're still going to ask you to step all the way back to the blue license backdrop. And then we're going to have the CSR, the customer service representative, step up, take the paperwork, process the transaction when it's time to exchange a PIN or give the information back. The CSR will put the information and everything they need right in the customer reach underneath that Lexan glass. And then the customer service rep will step back and the customer will step up. So even though we have the Lexan glass, we're still really focused on that social and personal distancing. We've had to obviously adapt and adjust our business model in a way that we've never seen before in order that we can best serve the registration, primarily customers that we needed to for the short and the long term. We really turned a corner, in my opinion, in early April when we started with an appointment-only model. So the biggest thing about this is it allows social distancing, it mitigates the crowd size, but it also gives you a better customer experience around your arrival and your experience, because the days of waiting 30, 40 minutes at the RMV, those days are gone because your service time is guaranteed. So, we're still focusing on customer service because it's so important that we're all in this together. And, as my team out in the field is providing registrations for the trucks, for the people to get to work, CDL permits in Milford and Wilmington, so people can drive those trucks that are so important and so critical to so many industries, and the ensuring that we're keeping that supply chain going. So the appointments and the reservations have really been a big win for us in that area. The RMV has and will continue to support and serve the public throughout this pandemic while implementing any public health guidelines for cleaning, PPE, face coverings, and we'll continue to do that as the reopening occurs, as we get more guidance from DPH and public health agencies. And, our only ask is that folks try to conduct as much of their business as they can online, by phone, or by mail. And this is going to really help us to ensure the safe and healthy health of the public by making appointments, observing social distancing, wearing the face and adhering to the face covering protocols, staying at home, canceling their appointment when they're sick. We're all in this together, and we'll continue to keep the health and well-being of our staff and our customers first and foremost.
That's it for today's update. If you are an organization or government official that would like to share information with the public on DoubleACS TV and WARA 1320 AM, you can email news@doubleacs.com. For DoubleACS News, I'm Austin Ricketts.